In this video, we will calculate data impurity for our non-operational columns using SQL and Excel. Operational columns like reg user, reg date, edit user, like edit date, are excluded, as you see. Let's exclude them. We will unselect the operational columns here. We need only blanks. If you want, you can write administrative column. Like, it means that these columns are administrative columns. We excluded operational columns here. If you want, you can write here like administrative column, but it is clear, I think. So we have the column for SQL script. We will write SQL script for based on each quality rule. So first, let's find the violations for each column based on the quality rules. For example, the national ID column, like as you see, the national ID column, it has the rules like cannot be null, must consist of numbers and letters, must follow the expected length, which is 9. We will take a look at this quality rule because it will be the simplest one. Like let's write the query for this. The national ID cannot be null. Like this will be the simplest one. We have a small data set here. That's why we can see like inconsistent data here. Of course, in the real database, you will see maybe thousands, maybe millions of rows, millions of records here. That's why you cannot manually see inconsistencies, but fortunately we can. And as you see, the only one row is null. Only one record, one row consists of null national ID, includes null national ID. Like, just ignore this one. This is seen in MySQL, but ignore this one. This is not the real dataset. We have only 7 rows of data. Let's write the query for this. Select everything from patients schema dot patients where national ID, like let's write select count from patients schema dot patients where national ID is null. We have to get 1 as a number. So I think everything is correct. Let's press Ctrl B to beautify it, and that's it. Now we know that there is one violation for this quality rule, as you see the number. Let's create, let's first of all fill in this column, fill in this cell. Like let's copy our quality rule, our script, and paste it here. That's it. We will keep it as a record. We will create another columns like number of violations, then number of violations, number of number of rows or number of records we can write number of rows. Number of rows. It will be for each table. Like for the patient's table, it will be 7 from this cell to this cell. It will be 7 for the patient contacts. Of course, it will be different. Number of rows, number of violations, and now we can calculate data impurity here. Data impurity. Impurity here. So we know that there is only one violation for this like quality rule. Let's write it here, 1. But we know that there are 7 rows here for this table. Let's write it here. We will do it for just one quality rule as an example. Now you can do for others. Well, here we will calculate data impurity. But before doing that, as you remember, we have criticality index here. As you see, these are words. These cannot be used in like calculation. We have to convert it to numbers. In our system, criticality, the whole criticality is 1. Like we will give 0.62 high critical data elements, 0.32 normal critical data elements, and 0.1 for low critical data elements. And it works fine. It is like proving concept in data governance. Let's create our another column like criticality. We can name it as criticality number. We will write ifs function here. Ifs like this cell is equal to high, is output 0.6. If the same cell is equal to normal, value if true, this will be 0.6, 0.3. For the last logical test, is low. The number will be 0.1. It must work. Let's check this out. Yeah, it works fine. Let's apply this to all of the columns here, as you see. it worked fine. Why did we do this? Because we will use it in our formula for data impurity, for calculating data impurity. Um, so we find out for this data quality rule, the number of violation is 1. The number of total rows is 7. We can easily calculate the percentage, violation percentage. Then we will multiply violation percentage with criticality number to find final data impurity percentage. Right, let's write our formula. This it will be equal to, this will be divided by this one. They will be multiplied. Then we will multiply it by this criticality number. Maybe let's check this out, if it will work or not. It worked fine. 8.5. Now we have to let's round it to 1 decimal, and we will see our final data impurity for this quality rule. Right, let's I will do it manually because we have only just one to do. As an example, you can use like formula in Excel for this. That's it for this video. Now you know how to calculate data impurity and understand which columns need attention first. In the next video, we will explore how to visualize these impurities for better decision making. And the next video will be the last one, and I will try to show the last picture of the data columns. This Excel document, I think, will be in the final step, will be ready